Heavy duty and high volume, the Seeker is our ultra-light water storage solution for camping, hiking, or any backcountry adventure. Available in 2, 3, and 4 liters. The Seeker is easy to fill, featuring a simple, leak-proof screw cap with a tear-resistant, removable tether. It's compatible with most 42mm threaded backcountry water filters. Or use our plug-and-play cap and 28mm filter adapter accessory for additional filter adaptability. A low-profile, texture-coated handle provides controlled pouring and easy carrying. 2 load-bearing side lash points designed for hanging and attaching. Made of ultra-durable, abrasion-resistant TPU and RF welded seams for superior durability and elasticity. 100% BPA and PVC free and backed by our Beyond guarantee. The Seekers crush down when empty and pack away in the included storage bag. You can freeze it and use as an ice pack when you're car camping, or pull it out at base camp when you need to filter and refill. So whether your journey takes you on a bikepacking trip along the PCH or through hiking in the Sierras, the Seeker provides ample water storage when running out is not an option.